Well, I saw your discussion board question. You want to find the exact value. When they say the exact value, that means you shouldn't use your calculator. You got to do it by hand. You're given cotan of theta square root 3 over 7, and you're given that theta is in this first quadrant. Well, all your trig functions are positive in the first quadrant, so we know it's going to be a positive answer. Most likely the problem with this question, when I'm often asked this, the difficulty is working with radicals. It's not so much the trig, it's to simplifying or multiplying radicals is usually where the issue is. We want to find the sine of theta. Well, if you look here, what is it, page 24 to definition, you find sine of theta is y over r, so we need to find y and r. Well, also on page 24, cotan of theta is given as x over y, and so cotan of theta up here is square root 3 over 7, so x is square root 3 and y is square root of 7. Then on page 24 also we're given, r squared equals x squared plus y squared. So you can substitute in for x, you square a square root, you're just left with the radicand, which is 3. You square 7, that's 49. That sums 52. Well, if you think of a deck of cards, you got 4 suits of 13. Square root of 4 is 2. And so, you simplify square root of 52, and that's 2 square root of 13. And so if the sine of theta is y over r, we have y back here 7. Just found r, which is 2 square root of 13. You need to rationalize the denominator, you might have to look that up, rationalize the denominator. And so you got to multiply, if you multiply top and bottom by square root of 13, that'll take care of that. That removes the radical from the denominator. So numerator, you got 7 square root of 13. Denominator, when you multiply square root of 13 times itself, that's just 13. So you have 2 times 13. So over here I kind of ran out of room there. Sine theta is 7 square root of 13 over 26. It's positive since it's in the first quadrant. Hope that helps.